types of pizza, 80 types of famous pizza. Margherita, pepperonis, 4 cheese, quattro formaggi, Hawaiian, BBQ chicken, meat lovers, veggie supreme, Neapolitan, New York style, Sicilian, Detroit style, Chicago deep dish, Margherita Dio Dia, Capricciosa, Carbonara, Puttanescot, Truffle pizza, Buffalina, Diavola, Prosciutto to e fungi, or calzone, Bianca, Bolognese, Pesto Genovese, Quattro Stagini, Tano e cipolla, itama, and onion. Ortidia, Armeri seafood, Rumena, Funheis mushroom, Salsiccia Ezoge, Supreme, Meatball, Artichoke Secche, Vegetarianai, Spinach and Feta, Bacon cheeseburger, Italian sausage, Philly cheesesteak, fig and blue cheese, for pineapple and ham, spaghetti pizza, Greek pizza, shrimp scampi, mushroom and white sauce, chicken Alfredo, buffalo chicken, taco pizza, cheeseburger pizza, garlic shrimp, zucchini and ricotta, kale and pesto, roasted veggie, eggplant parmesan, chili cheese, onion and anchovy, roasted garlic and tomato, smoked salmon and cream cheese, sausage and peppers, egg and bacon breakfast pizza, pear and gorgonzola, mushroom and Swiss, garlic ranch chicken, spicy sausage, Mexican pizza, Mediterranean, arugula and prosciutto, jalapeno, cauliflower crust marguerite, BBQ pulled pork,